having this nice integral that is integral of x sine x dx. Some guys will just feel it, but it's very easy. What are you going to do in solving this? The question I'm going to ask is, which of them is going to be differentiated to have a constant that is x normally? Because if you differentiate sine x, you are going to have a circular manner, because you differentiate sine x and you have cos x. Differentiate cos x, you have negative sine x, and differentiate negative sine x, you have negative cos x. Hence, to solve this question, we're going to use integration by part. And what's the formula of integration by part? uv minus integral of v du. Okay, the question you ask is, what's our u, what's our v, and what's that? Okay, how does this function look like? Since it's for integration by part, it's like x and this go like two different functions, and like f of x with j prime of x, taking this as u and this as dv. Okay, since you are going to differentiate u to have du and we're going to integrate v to have this is how the function look like. Okay, let's take this our u is equals to x, therefore our du is equals to 1, and our dv is equals to what? Sine x. Hence our v, you integrate sine x, you have what? Minus cos x. That's how it look like, because this function is in the form of u is u v prime. Yes, it's in terms of x. Okay, that's how the function look like. And we're going to substitute back. That is uv was ux negative x cos theta negative x cos x minus integral of what? uv minus integral of v du of v, or is that v negative cos x, or we have plus cos x. Therefore final answer will be x cos x plus what? When you differentiate cos x, you have what? When you have sine cos negative sine x, which have negative sine x. Therefore final answer will be equals to what? Negative into x cos x plus sine x. I think this was an easy question. If you found it interesting or this video had a lot of value to you, then subscribe to the channel. See you in this our next video that will be popping up here. Bet look in it.